Ever wondered how a mobile app is created from scratch? It's a fascinating process that involves creativity, technical skill, and a whole lot of dedication. Today, we're going to walk through the key steps involved in bringing an app from concept to reality. The journey starts with an idea and conceptualization. What's the purpose of your app? Who is it for? And what problem does it solve? It's essential to research the competition, identify what makes your app stand out, and firmly establish its unique selling proposition. Next, it's time to create a wireframe or prototype of your app. This step helps you visualize the layout, user interface, and user experience. It's important to iterate and refine your design to ensure a seamless and intuitive app flow. Once the wireframe is finalized, it's time to start coding. This is where the technical skills come into play. Whether you're using native programming languages like Swift for iOS or Java for Android, or cross-platform frameworks like React Native or Flutter, the goal is to bring your design to life. Next, delve into market research. Understanding user needs, preferences, and trends will shape the direction of your app. Creating user personas can also help tailor your app to your target audience. Then comes the design and planning phase. Here, you'll create wireframes and mock-ups of your app's user interface and user experience. The app's architecture, including data storage, database structure, and APIs, is also planned out at this stage. You'll then need to choose a development approach. Will it be a native app, a hybrid app, or a web app? Each one comes with its own set of pros and cons, so it's crucial to choose the one that aligns best with your project's requirements and resources. Now it's time for the actual development. This involves writing code, implementing features, integrating APIs and services, and handling data storage and retrieval. After the development, rigorous testing follows. This step helps identify and fix bugs and usability issues. Beta testing with a small group of users can provide valuable feedback and help fine-tune the app. Creating visually appealing and user-friendly designs is a crucial step in the process. The user interface and user experience design focus on making the app not just functional, but also enjoyable to use. Security and privacy are paramount. Implementing security measures to protect user data and ensuring the app's overall safety is a must. It's also crucial to comply with privacy regulations and keep users informed about data collection and usage. Optimization is another key step. Ensuring your app runs smoothly on various devices, screen sizes, and doesn't drain the battery quickly is essential for user satisfaction. Once your app is ready, it's time for deployment. This means publishing your app to the relevant app stores or making it accessible on the web. But the journey doesn't end with deployment. Marketing and promotion are necessary to get your app into the hands of your target audience. A well-executed marketing strategy can make all the difference in your app's success. After launch, maintenance and updates are ongoing tasks. Monitoring performance, collecting user feedback, and releasing updates keep your app relevant and secure. Support and customer service are also crucial. Addressing user inquiries and issues promptly can greatly enhance user satisfaction and retention. Analytics and tracking are tools to gather data on user behavior and app performance. This data can guide decisions and help optimize your app further. Lastly, if you're planning to monetize your app, you'll need to decide on a strategy such as in-app ads, in-app purchases, subscriptions, or selling the app itself. So, there you have it, the key steps involved in creating a mobile app from scratch. It's a challenging but rewarding process that requires a combination of creativity, planning, ongoing effort to succeed, technical skill, and perseverance. With the right approach and dedication, you can turn your app idea into a reality. But with the right approach and a clear understanding of the process, you can bring your app idea to life and make it a success. Like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.